Tini Oktober tali noci tamsal mari sangrongshla Tripura Sokphaijak Goani Hastepha Tripura Sokphaijak mani yagulo Sipahijala Berai Naikha Goani Hastepha Poshopoti Oshuk Gonpoti Raju Tebini Logisang Logio Tongo Sipahijala Hankor Additional Hankorfa Subhas Dotto Bishalgor Hastepha Binki Shaha Tongo Siddharth Deporma Sipahijala District Forest Officer Otonu Chakraborty Sipahijala Wildlife Warden Niranjan Debnath Sipahijala Hankorni Additional Police Super Rajiv Sutrodar Bishalgor Bukhaste Police Tangfak Vikas Cynthia Bishalgor Deputy Collector and Magistrate Prasenjit Das Tongo Curator Prantush Das.
As zoos go, you're in a good wicket. Huh? So that way. But generally wildlife enthusiasts would like to see them in the wild. That angle will be there. But you can't help it. Animals have to be protected and their disturbance to their habit kept to the minimum.
Yes.
Now, if we are capable of doing that, I think most of this endangered species can bounce back. See, environment is a continuous effort. It's not only depending on a government alone. Every citizen has a duty.
Yes.
So we have to be aware of it and we have to contribute. So all of us have a duty, and collectively if we do it, I think our wildlife will be one of the... If we are capable of doing it, we have to rise to that occasion. That's so much. God bless you all.